It's great seeing you here. Today we're going to speak about the landscape of affiliate marketing. And the basic thing is that there are vendors and customers, and you are in between. And what you are doing is you present the vendor's offer to your customers or to customers that you're looking for. So now let's go to the computer and we'll go over step by step. Here we are. As you can see, the vendors and the customers, and you are in between, as I said. The customers have products that they want to sell, and the customers wants to buy different things. And if you see here, it's do they really want the product? And the answer is no. They want the solution to a problem, and we'll go over it in a short while. What the vendors are selling in affiliate manners, it can be MLM, direct sales, and a free bird, it means that whatever product that they want to sell, it's not necessarily in these categories. Something else is that you have to know is that the product is just a means to an end. And this is relating to what I was saying here. And as I said, we'll go over it in a short while. There is an emotion behind every buying decision. Our decisions to buy or not are emotionally in most cases, and later on we justify it with logic. You want to be a brand and not just a connector. What I mean is here you connect between the vendors and the customers, but you want to brand yourself so eventually later on you'll have a business and you don't have to look for different product in different times all the time. So you have to make people know you and like you. So choosing a good product and the criteria for it. First of all, the industry that is booming. You have to look for something that in the rise and not going down. For example, nowadays, the affiliate marketing is a booming industry, and this might be the industry that you look for, and then you'll choose a company in that field that is doing like who can sell on Amazon, is doing some affiliate marketing. So it's a good company, and you'll have to choose a product for yourself. The affiliate commissions that you can get are between 5 and 75% more or less. Something else that you have to know is that 96%, approximately 96% of the affiliate promoters earn less than $1,000 a month. But, just a minute. Because you'll brand yourself, and of course you want to be in the 4% that are making money, the branding will help to do that. The law of compensation is saying that your income will be in direct proportion to three things. The first one is the need for what you do, and then the ability to fulfill this need, and the third is how difficult it would be to replace you. So the first, the need for what you do, you fulfill it just by choosing the right the right industry, and Just by doing that, this is already done. The ability to fulfill this need is dependent on your knowledge. So in this case, you'll have to learn the field that you decided to promote and get the knowledge that is needed for that. And how difficult it would be to replace you? Well, that depends on number two, the ability to fulfill this need, how good you are in this field. And as we said, you learn, and this will make you someone that is difficult to replace. Now let's talk about different funnels to sell the product, to promote the product. So the first one is the one that many affiliate sellers are doing, affiliate vendors. When you join them, because they say that you can make money with them, first of all, they'll give you a sales page, and this sales page will go to their product. And what they're telling you is to bring traffic to the sales page. There is a written or a video, a text here. The buyer will have to put his email, and then he will be transferred to the product. And if he buys, you get commission. Approximately 2% are making a purchase, and this is in the high end. It can be even lower than that. The email that the buyer or the one that wants to see the product is putting in here, is not going to you. It is going to the vendor. So he can later on sell them different products or products that are related to the product that you brought them to see, and you get nothing. So now we'll go to funnel number two. Funnel number two is just the same as the one before, with the addition of this brown landing page, and this is the autoresponder. What you do here, this is your landing page. In some cases, the vendor will give you also a landing page, but then not necessarily you'll get the email that the buyer will put here. So it's best to do it this way for you. To put your landing page, then you are unique. You know that no one else is using it, only you, because you made it. As you can see here, 20 to 60% of the people that coming to the landing page will put the email, and this will go to your autoresponder where you collect those emails, and you can send those people by giving them, sending them an email, telling them about different things, giving them value, and you bring them here to the sales page, and all the rest is just the same as we just talked in the other page. And this is the ultimate funnel. As we can see, it's just the same, but here, instead of sending them from the autoresponder straight to the sales page, we send the people to the internet home, your internet home, which can be a blog or some other type of pages. And from here, you'll send them to the sales page. What you can do here, all the knowledge that you give them, like videos talking about things that you know and they might need this information. For example, how to use different softwares that helps to do that, and many other things. They'll get used to come to here, to your home, and by that you can benefit a lot. You can promote other things here, and just because they came here for the things that they are looking for, because you give them knowledge, they can take some other information and maybe buy some other stuff, so you can make more money. Something more is a very important thing here. When you send a buyer to the product, do you think that the product is the thing that the buyer is really want? Or maybe he wants the result that this product gives him. Let's say you want to hang a picture on the wall. So what do you have to do? You have to put a screw there. So you go and buy here a drill. So you don't really want the drill. You want the result that it gives you. So in the landing page, if you talk about the result that this product will give the buyer, it is more likely for the buyer to make the purchase. So this is the end of it. Now, if this is something that you find interesting and you want to master it and learn all about the affiliate marketing in great details, then there is the product that I'm going through and learning all of this. It's called Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing, and you'll find the link for it under the video. And I can tell you that I'm learning and I'm very happy with the things that I'm getting, all the knowledge, and many people are getting results with that. I hope this video helped you in some way, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.